How much time is left?
40 seconds.
I am going the right way, right?
Check your map.
This is why I can't do full suicide.
Yeah.
Past the camp.
What the fuck is that?
Ignore that. Yeah, I already fucking.
Oh, well, there you are.
Yeah. Suck.
This fucking retard over here. Oh, wow.
Alright. What else did I want to do? I wanted to activate this fucking totem. Hello. Don't mind if I do.
Hello? Oh, there we go.
Saw something over here.
Yo, wow.
Saw this shit out of the corner.
Fuck is that?
Thank you.
You need to get yourself a flying mount.
I mean, I do have one now. I just don't have the fucking research for it.
Thank God I fluked it.
The whole thing with this is that like I do have things that can fly. I just don't have the research. Oops.
That was annoying. 18 plus 136.